Come test drive the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.